Okay, what do you say? Happy birthday, Charlotte.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlotte Germany.
Happy birthday
To
to
you.
you. Say hi.
We also had the freedom puppy.
She has a 3 birthday party today.
I said they had main cake too.
I don't think she has a mini cake.
Want to ask her what kind of cake she has?
Yeah.
Ask her.
So also had it. That's okay.
Oh, a Cinderella cake?
So don't eat it. That's okay.
Oh.
Maybe she had had a Cinderella cake. She has a pretty red polka dot dress.
Okay, say bye. Have a good day.
Blow her kisses.
Oh, say bye.